Hi, I'm Ray with Auticus Support, and I'm going to show you how to connect your hearing aids with the Hearing Remote app. First, you'll go to the App Store on your phone. The App Store is where you're able to search and download apps for your phone. You'll type in Hearing Remote. Once you search for Hearing Remote, you'll scroll to the one with the picture of a gray box with a black hearing aid. Once you have found that, you'll download it. It might take a little while for it to download, but once it does, you're going to be able to open the application to go through your cadence to pair your hearing aids. This is the home page of the Hearing Remote app. It's going to say it would like to use Bluetooth. You'll make sure that Bluetooth is on your phone, and then you'll hit OK. Now you'll want to hit Continue. It will take you to a privacy notice. We highly encourage and invite you to scroll through, and once you have read it to your satisfaction, you'll hit Accept. Help us improve. By providing usage data, you will enable us to learn and improve the product and services, and we will never sell your information to others. You'll continue, and now it's time to pair your hearing aids. You'll want to restart your hearing aids to enable pairing. With a battery door, you'll be able to enable the pairing mode for each hearing aid you wish to use with the app. To do this, you are going to want to open the battery door on each of your hearing aids. This turns your hearing aids off and back on again. This places them in pairing mode for 3 minutes. Now, if you have rechargeable batteries, then what you will want to do is you are going to want to press the lower part of the button on each of your hearing aids until the LED turns red, so that is 4 seconds, and then press the same button for 2 seconds to turn them back on. Or you can insert them into your charging case and remove them. This also puts them in pairing mode. Now you have put them both into pairing mode, you're going to be able to hit Continue. Your app is now searching for your hearing aids. It might take a moment, but that is not a problem whatsoever. That is perfectly normal as they search for your newly activated hearing aids. You'll see one hearing aid appear, but you will wait until you see both. It is now going to ask if it can pair with one of your hearing aids. You'll hit Pair, and then it will ask to connect with another hearing aid. You'll hit Pair. Congratulations, you are now connected. You'll hit Continue. Once you hit Continue, it's going to ask you to activate your digital solutions to help your hearing care professionals get the best fit. What you'll want to do is hit Activate. Hearing Remote is now finalizing all of your settings. You are now activated. It is very important for you to enable notifications, so any adjustments that come through and you're notified by the app by, you'll be able to receive. You'll hit Continue and Allow. As soon as you do, you have entered your Hearing Remote app. It's going to connect your left and your right hearing aid with your volume adjuster right in the middle. You also will be able to see the battery life of your hearing aids. From here, you're going to want to hit the 3 lines in the top left-hand corner. Once you have hit those 3 lines, you'll see a menu, and you'll hit App Settings. Once you're in App Settings, you'll see Side Selection. Tap the button so the button goes to the right. You can hit the back button in the top left-hand corner or the X. Then you'll click the little circle with 2 lines in the left-hand corner. You now can adjust the volume individually on your hearing aids. You can go up by 5 levels and down by -5 levels. Now that you're there, you can hit the little check mark or the downward facing arrow in the upper right-hand side for your program list. These are the manual programs you're able to toggle through within the Hearing Remote app. You will then tap, if you so choose, the bottom left-hand corner circle with 3 lines that allows you to play with your equalizer. You can adjust your mid, treble, and bass up and down to find the correct fit for you. You're also able to click on balance and drag that little button across. You have now successfully filtered through your Hearing Remote app and become paired. We hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and happy hearing.